This is the art that the brand new calendar for 2021 that Lavinia has done. You can see how beautiful they are. Now we'll back up so you can see inside every single sheet. I'm going to turn it over and you can see it's got a wire O binding at the top, and it also has this hanging loop in case you want to use it to hang. So this is the front of it. It measures, it looks like it's about an A4 size. And as I turn this over, you can see there is that beautiful art, and there is the calendar just right below it. So nice sizes to put some notes in it. The other thing, in fact, this, as the design team was looking at this and oohing and aahing, they thought you could really take these and cut them out and use them on scrapbooking, on cards, whatever you wanted to do. So this is it's a lightweight paper. And it's just going to do a beautiful job. Now, we do have a limited quantity of these, but I wanted to make sure that you could see every single beautiful image as I turn them. And there we go, all of next year. We hope it's a better year than this one has been, don't we? Lavinia Stamps Calendar for 2021.